Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Seamless app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out. Maybe you're logged on to someone else's phone. Maybe you want to go ahead and log out just because you want to use someone else's phone. How do you actually go ahead and sign out of the Seamless app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Seamless app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down, and then where it says Sign Out, this is where you can go ahead and click on Sign Out. Afterwards, it should log you out, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Seamless app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.